stomach to stomach, tummy to tummy, like this. Baby facing you, baby's head resting under your elbow. Then your palm on the baby's butt, well packed. If you want to swaddle, you can swaddle. Now, this is how you will use the breast to stroke the nose, like this. When the baby opens, you quickly insert it. Baby should not suck on your nipple. Once the baby suck on your nipple 2-3 times, the following day you are going to have a very sore and painful nipple that you will not even want to put your baby close to your breast. Once your baby wants to latch on it, you will be screaming. If you don't want that experience, you should learn to put your baby to suck from the areola and not your nipple. You hold it like this, in a C shape, not scissor shape. When you scissors it, you are cutting the flow. Even the nipple is flat like this, you can breastfeed it even without the sheet. You just learn how to hold behind the areola so that the nipple and the areola will enter into the baby's mouth. This is the flat nipple, but this is a very good everted nipple. So you should be able to feed like this. So when you want to put the baby to breast, hold it like this, like sandwich, like a pinch of sandwich. You want to bite it like that. Hold it like this, hold it like this, and use it to stroke the nose. And once it's ready, quickly insert not the nipple, the areola. Target to insert the areola like this, not the nipple. Once baby suck from the nipple first, second time, you will have sore nipple. You can also use the lanolin cream to rub the nipple. It's not harmful. Baby can even suck it. Even this lanolin cream is there. And get a good supportive bra. This is your powerhouse as a mother. You should be able to maintain it before the arrival of the baby and when the baby is using it as well. You should be able to eat. Some women will say, I want to do exclusive breastfeeding. How do you do exclusive breastfeeding if you don't eat properly? You should eat properly. If baby is not comfortable, don't aim to feed a crying baby. There are early, middle, and late hunger cue. Early hunger cue, the baby will do will be showing you signs. It will be yawning, it will be stretching. The middle one, they will start stretching, they will start Then the late hunger cue, they are crying, they are everywhere. That time you need to pet them first before trying to put them to breast. Do not ever try to latch a crying baby. You have to reassure the baby. You have to pet the baby, give emotional support, talk with the baby, eye-to-eye contact. Then once the baby is settled, then you put baby to breast. Stroke. It's that. You bring the baby's head close. Even without a pillow, you are sitting comfortably. You are able to hold your baby with one hand. You can move your baby. Most times I will do like this for some mothers. You see the way I'm holding your baby like this, they'll be scared. I just want them to know that with one hand, you can control your baby and put your baby to breast. Only with one hand, control the baby, hold the baby firmly. See what I did? You just pat the butt, hold nicely, the head resting here, like this. Don't be afraid, your baby will not fall. And don't squash the baby like this. If baby is squashed up like this, I see some mothers, they hold baby like this. How will baby that is squashed up like this, how do you expect the baby to latch? Baby cannot breathe. Don't squash your baby like this. Do you understand? Always make sure the head is resting nicely under your elbow and bring the baby to yourself and insert nicely. Insert nicely. It's very simple. It's not difficult. It's your baby. And don't be afraid. Put the hand like this. Don't be afraid. You put your baby to breast. Sit comfortably. Stretch your body out. You see, baby will suck nicely. This is the major problem we have. Once the baby is not well positioned, once the mother is not comfortable, the mother will have backache. If you don't want to experience backache, you don't want your nipple to be cracked, you don't want your baby to refuse your breast, because anytime you put baby close to yourself, baby cannot breathe, baby is feeling suffocating. You don't want your baby to refuse your breast. Start with breast breastfeeding from the day one. The golden hour, there's a reason why it is called golden hour. Start with breastfeeding from the start of the delivery. Bond with your baby. Let your baby start from your breast. Let it get a touch of it. Whether you have milk, whether you don't have milk, the first thing baby should suck on, if the baby is not high risk, baby is not going to NICU, baby does not have any abnormality, there is no issue or problems with your baby, the first thing your baby should suck on should be your breast.